Welcome back to Culinary Museum, your ultimate destination for mouth-watering recipe and culinary inspiration. I'm Chef Mohamed Abdell, and today I'm thrilled to share with you a dish just a visual stunning and it's delicious. Saffron and charcoal linguini with tuna tartare and prawn bisque. So first thing, we put the olive oil, prawn in, with the reduction of the prawn bisque. Now saffron linguini with charcoal linguini on a plate. Then tuna tartare. So now we explain the plate. We have the pasta, it's a linguini charcoal with the saffron, and then we have the prawn bisque and finish it on top with tuna tartare. Stay tuned for more culinary adventure, and remember, it's not just about the food, it's about the experience. Happy cooking!